17 months, over 100 emails, 7 versions, 1 sling. Introducing the Ultra Sling. Ten years ago, I tested the original Aer Travel Pack. 70 products later, it is safe to say that we still love their gear. I mean, the Aer Travel Pack 3 has been on our digital nomad packing list for 4 years now. And when it comes to slings, none have had all the features I'm looking for. I wanted something just right, and Aer was up to the challenge. We started coming up with a ton of ideas on what this sling should be. Mock-up after mock-up, fabric samples, zipper tests, refining each part of the bag down to the exact type of back panel mesh. We even pulled all of you right here on YouTube to see what features you like, so you helped make this bag too. All that time and energy came together in this 2-liter sling. This is a limited run, and our previous collab sold out almost instantly, so if you want to get your hands on one of these, make sure to check out that link in the description below to pick one up. If you've been loving the Pack Hacker collabs, make sure to let us know. If this video gets 3,000 likes, we'll do a rerun of this sling. And we want you to tell us the weirdest thing that you would pack into this sling, because we're going to give one away to our favorite comment down below. All right, let's get into this sling. The look of the Ultra Sling changed quite a bit over time as we refined it. We started with squared edges since they're easier to pack, but in the end we opted to round out the bag for a sleeker, less blocky profile. Next was figuring out the best material for the job. The original nylon fabric worked well until I got caught in a week's worth of rain in Lisbon. The bag was completely soaked through along with all of my gear inside. And this is what inspired our change to the rugged Ultra 200X fabric. It adds a ton of weather resistance, especially when paired with these reverse coil YKK zippers, which I love. Best of all, they make it harder for water to get inside and drench your gear. But the material is nothing compared to the feature that I love most, the shoulder strap. Check out these swivel clips. They allow the bag to pivot and fall naturally against your body, preventing the strap from folding awkwardly at the sides no matter how tight or loose you wear it. Plus, they're removable. Press these little buttons at the attachment points and now you're using it as a standalone pouch on the go for use at your favorite cafe. The quick access front pocket has sections separated by an elastic panel, creating an accordion shape that keeps small gear organized. I've got to say, sometimes I love a good dump pocket, but the organization in here is even better. It keeps all small gear separated, especially my keys on the side, and prevents them from scratching everything else. Other gear goes in the main compartment. And in the back, there's a padded device pocket, perfectly sized for my Kindle so I can read at a cafe. I like to keep my passport on hand when I'm traveling, so that's gonna go in the rear zippered pocket. Everyone on the team uses this bag a little differently, and that's what makes a good bag great. While this sling looks simple, it is packed with features that you can make your own. Everything on the Ultra Sling is designed to be efficient and look good doing it. Even the pop of color on the Hypalon pull tabs are subtle, adding a little pack hacker flair without straying from the classic Aer style. Collabs like this wouldn't be possible without your support. And the Aer launch event in New York City was awesome. It was so great to share my excitement with fellow minimalist travelers in person. We're so grateful to you and the amazing team at Aer for helping us to design a sling that works equally as well for everyday carry and trips across the world. And like I said, quantities are limited, so get on it. I think you're really gonna love this.